This is the Overcast foot, also known as OVEREDGE or overlocker foot. It is a magical little sewing machine foot that can give you an edging similar to that of an overlocker with just about any sewing machine. It simply clips on and off to attach and ready to go. It is very easy to install. Just press the back of the presser foot lever to release the presser foot. Then just insert the Overcast presser foot. Test the fit if it's properly secured. See, very easy. Insert the thread below the Overcast foot. Now, ready to sew, but first set the stitch to number 11. Take note to set the needle up before you turn the dial to prevent breakage, cause the needle clamp moves while you turn the dial, and if you forgot to set the needle up, it will surely breaks. Before starting, set the needle at the edge of the fabric. And gently fold the fabric. Here is the result. The result of the stitch depends on the fabric used. Now let's try it with folder fabric. Better than the unfolded fabric. Nice. So simple and so cool.